time for you to ride.
No, I'm not.
No way, he said. No way. No way. No.
I'm coming.
Okay, go. Sarah and Sophia.
Sama ko. Matapang ako eh. You need to go. You need to go. Guardian safety.
Dad,
Wait,
you're going?
Tignan ko lang kung kaya ko dyan. Tignan ko lang kung kaya.
Ikaw, kaya mo?
Kaya ko yan, ganyan. Pwede mo.
Hello, Rocketeers. Welcome to Banwa
Yung
Shack.
mukha ni Sophia.
As you approach
Tignan natin yung mukha ni Sophia.
Magiging show to.
guide you to your seats. Please follow
Tell you
their
one thing,
instructions.
you're all going to heaven because
Keep
he's a
your
good
hands
kid.
and feet inside the ride at all times. Be mindful of your personal belongings.
Ang mga duwag na iwan.
Such as cell phones, pads, and sunglasses.
Hindi ka nga pumunta eh.
Secure them in the
Kasi
designated
ayaw mo.
compartments. As we
Hindi
lift
ko
up,
kaya yan.
get
As in,
ready to elevate your experience.
maghihiwalay talaga yung aking mga kaluluwa dyan.
Enjoy the panoramic.
Now we got to go there and see their faces.
Ah.
Go here, Mum. Go to the side.
I want to get the whole thing. And
Naawa ko sa kanila.
naawa daw si Bini. No, sabihin mo? Naawa.
Go lang!
Go lang. Ah!
Congratulations, Rocketeers. You've just experienced the world
Baba.
from new heights of Banwa
Baba.
Shack. Please
One
remain
more.
seated until the ride comes to a
Ang
complete stop.
tatabang ah.
Once our ride attendants give the signal, you're free to stand and prepare to
Tatangkat mo
disembark.
yung mama.
As you disembark,
Natalo ako.
you may close your
Natalo ang mga parents.
designated path to the
Kinaya.
area.
Masyadong nakakatakot kasi pag nasa taas na maganda.
Mas maganda po siya pag gagabi na.
Ah, sa gabi o
Opo.
mamayang gabi. Balikan
Kasi makikita
natin
yung
sa
mga
mama.
ilaw-ilaw.
Bawal kasi magdala ng phone sa taas eh, no?
Bawal po ma'am sa lahat po ng rides pa.
Ah. At pa yung mga vlogger nakakadala. Ah, nilalagay nila ng secretly dito sa pin, no?
Kasi
May mga maliliit na camera yan eh.
siguro po yung mga gano'n. Kasi ma'am pag cellphone may chance, may
malalaglag.
possibility na mahulog eh.
Yung sa Hong Kong na ganito, ang pinaka nakakatakot. Okay na?
Okay na po. Ready?
Okay.
Uulit!
Uulit. Ang taas. Hindi ko sila makuhanan.
Mag-video ka.
Ako na lang. Ayun. Nakuhanan sila. Ah, may tatlong fan si Vinny.
Sino?
Ito. Tili. Ayan, tatlong fan si Vinny.
Dito po sila lumaki na ma'am.
Ah, opo. Hindi, pinanganak sa ibang bansa at dito na. Mga
Dito lang.
5 years na sila.
Love you too.
Love you too.
At,
Tatlong fans ni Vinny.
go sigaw pa.
Okay, that's it.
Congratulations, Rocketeers. You've just experienced the world from the new heights on Banwa Shack. Please remain seated.
Mas maganda daw sa gabi. Mamaya. Ang init kasi.
Once our ride
Saka po yung fountain namin ma'am maganda.
you're free to
Ayan, ang
stand
dami
and
na
prepare to
dumadami.
disembark.
Kanina, alam mo kami ang unang-unang
Be
dumating.
mindful of your surroundings and follow the designated path to the unloading area. Should you wish to ride once more, please alight and kindly fall in line again.
Let's go na.
Thank you for riding Banwa
Ala!
Shack. Enjoy the rest of
Ilagay mo
your
sa
day
rubbish.
in Pradera Island.
Rubbish bin.
Congratulations, Rocketeers.
Iniwanan na nila ako. Ay, ang sarap. Malamig. Dito na lang tayo. Mas masarap. join them?
Wait for our independence instruction before embarking your seat.
This is the best ride so far.
Huwag mo ko
Keep your
vlog.
hands and feet
Lag mo lang ako. Lag mo lang.
Masyadong duwag ka mo si Vinny. Sila ate nga.
Para mapag na ako. Uy, ano yun?
Ang chill-chill nga lang.
Mama, as soon as you say that, it's not gonna be.
No real animals yet.
Ano ka ba? Hello.
Sophia! Hi!
Mukha kang baka.
Sarah! Where is Sophia? I can see you. Sophia!
You look like a cow. Bawa ka dito.
Si Daddy.
Dad, are you gonna drive it? Are you driving it, Dad?
Are you driving it, Daddy?
Oh my God, that's the cute one. Mountain.
This is the cutest one.
No, the scariest. Oh no.
Dinosaur! Bird.
Uy.
Ayan, hi! Imagine mo gumalaw yan.
Uy.
Uy! And we're here!
This is the cutest ride of all.
End of the ride. With Ate there. Do you want to have a go again? One
Go
more?
again.
No.
Congratulations. Until the ride comes
You
to a
want
complete
more?
stop.
Mommy.
Our ride attendants give the signal.
For the 5th times of the ride. What is it? Yeah. I like it. Is it? Let's go, Dad. It's a teamwork. Teamwork.
Talagay na lang po ng gamit.
Apo. Ala.
Welcome back to the Vermont Naval Users. You've successfully navigated Thunderstorm Gliders. Hope you enjoyed your flight.